Today, Raiden and I are going to talk to you about a tough topic. We're going to talk about childhood injuries in Missouri. And so I always say you're only as happy as your least happy child. I'm reading down for the rest of this. What should you know if your child is injured in an accident? First, there's a statute of limitations in Missouri. For most things, it's 5 years. For medical malpractice, it's 2 years. God forbid it's wrongful death. That's a 3-year statute of limitations. Most statute of limitations over the timeline for which to file your lawsuit are told for minor children until they reach the age of 18. So for most cases, like a car accident, which is a 5-year statute, you'd have until the age of 23. Having said that, that's far too long to wait because evidence gets stale. It spoilates, it gets old, people don't remember. So if you have an injury case, you need to get a lawyer right away. I suggest getting a local lawyer. There are a lot of great local lawyers here. Any money that you receive for that child, and by the way, that child needs what's called a guardian. That's you as the natural mother or natural father and next friend. The money doesn't go straight to the child, it goes to a guardian. And if you don't have a guardian, if God forbid the parents are no longer around or killed in the same collision, the court will appoint one. We've done that many times. Very, very sad cases. But the point is that you get a guardian for the kid. The money is not for the guardian, it's for that child, and it's to be protected. Frequently at Cantor injury law, we will structure a minor settlement so that you don't want an 18-year-old to get $1 million because they might go out and blow it all. So you can give them some at 18, some at 19, 20, 21 to get them through college. Then you give them a little bit 21 through 25 and then give them a lump sum. And that money grows tax-free and tax-deferred, and that's a smart thing to do. Any minor settlement requires court approval. Even if it's an agreed upon settlement, you have to go and get the judge to sign off on it. And that's because we're trying to protect that minor child. We've had other parents come in that are removed and try to take the money for their own purpose. And obviously that's not going to happen under my watch because my job is to get that child that's harmed as much money as possible. So there's lots of things to consider. I've had success getting people money for things, the whole gamut. ATV accidents, jet ski collisions, boat accidents, car accidents, slip and falls, negligent supervision. We have premises liability cases. So I've done this for 30 years, and the ones that we've won tremendous amounts of money on are all very sad. So I hope that none of them are you, but every single child that has an injury needs a lawyer. You're going to do significantly better with a lawyer than you would on your own. So again, I'm Mark Cantor. My law firm is Cantor Injury Law. We have locations throughout the state of Missouri, licensed in Missouri and in Illinois. We're not from Florida or New York or California like some of the other firms that are advertising here. I've got a team of many lawyers and paralegals, and we will fight hard for you. Our job is to maximize that recovery. When I used to say in our slogan, it's now modern, aggressive, and winning, but for a while we said, don't settle for less. Anybody can settle an injury case. What you got to do is settle it for its maximum value. And that's what we promise to do at Cantor Injury Law. Again, Mark Cantor, 314-628-9999. I'm going to let you go because Raiden's scratching at the door. But I hope you have a great and fun, safe summer. And if, God forbid, something happens and it's not fun and safe and you have a harm or a loss, please call us. Thanks for watching.